Scare patches. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. We are going to do an unboxing today. I got a big box. I'm totally blaming this on Samantha, Riley's fiance. She needed some ribbon, so I said, okay, I'll do an order. I need some stuff too. But anyways, here we are. I won't tell you how much money later, but I'm going to do a quick recording and show you what is in the box. And it is from Craft Outlet, my favorite place to get craft supplies, besides Walmart. Make sure you can see. Okay. I don't think I've ever showed this, but I love this island thing. Yeah, island. This comes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the box on here. Or I might leave the box here and set the ribbon here. But it rolls. You can move it wherever you want to. It's on wheels. It's really nice. And it matches everything. Okay, so let's open it up. James is on the phone, so if you hear someone in the background, that's him talking. He works from home, so he's pretty much on the phone all day long. Keeping the dogs quiet is a big issue with that. Alright guys, I'm so excited. And I usually save these for Samantha because when she does her Etsy stuff, she can ship them and use this as her packing. Or I give it to Carla at the shop beside the pool store because she uses it to stuff purses with. So, it's a 2-pager. Okay. Okay, first I did order some signs, ribbons, picks, and mesh is what I ordered. Samantha needed the ribbon, not mesh. So I got 2 of these. I usually make a couple flamingo wreaths. They sell at the pool store. People like flamingos for some reason. I don't know. Maybe because they're pink. They're cute. I feel like you either love them, or dislike them. So I got 2 of those. Blues are really popular this year. So I got 2 of these, and these will just be an everyday wreath. And they're metal. They'll last forever. That. Got this. Great for spring. Of course, you have to zhuzh it out. I put these on wreaths, or put them at my house. I put them like in garlands and stuff. But I don't order a lot of picks from Hobby Lobby. No, I usually get them from Hobby Lobby. I don't order them from Craft Outlet. But that's cute. It's got some purples and hot pinks and yellows. Got that. And then I ordered this blue actually to pair with this. I like this too. Blue's not my favorite color, and I don't know if it's because I have to wear it every day during the summer, blue and white, but it's really becoming way more popular. It was really popular at fall time, which was actually gorgeous with orange. I really liked it. Okay, so there's that, and I thought this would look good together. So I'll probably do something with this, and I'll take you along for the ride or send you a picture. There's that. And I got 2 of each of those. I got a roll of just chocolate brown mesh. Some really good stuff. I usually do this on grapevine or a mesh wreath. These are what I got for Samantha because she uses them in her signs and her Etsy, and it's that window pane. You can buy this at Hobby Lobby in the 2.5 inch. But when I was shopping, I noticed they had it in 50-yard rolls. So I got 2 because this is an everyday staple ribbon. So she owes me for that. Just kidding. I got this moss green. This is good for now, mainly in fall time I use this. It's cute. Okay. This is what I call a staple ribbon. It's the black and tan cabana stripe. I use this all year round. Christmas, every holiday I use this. So I always have this in stock, or try to. This was for Samantha. This was gray and white in plaid. I scared Patches again. She's super sketch where she can't hear. Anyway, so this is this gray and white, and you can use this year round too. And then, these are gorgeous. I forgot how much I like these. Stripe, it's hot pink. I got it in a 2.5 and an 1.5 inch. Good for pretty much year round, mainly springtime. I could have been using it in Valentine's Day. It'll go with this too. Then I kind of got ahead of myself, which you need to with ribbon because the good stuff always goes fast. But look how gorgeous that is for fall. I'm hoping you can see. I'm hoping I'm not too close. Look how gorgeous. 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 Goes together. But I knew if I didn't get this now, I won't get this for fall. You have to be ahead of the game. And it's a 50-yard roll. This is the first time I've ordered this from there. I got this for Samantha because she uses it in the nautical ones. It's just a neutral, kind of a tan color. I like it. I don't love it. My other one I had was better, but this will work. And of course this goes with everything too. Got this gray. I'm from Ohio, and Ohio State colors, or the Ohio State Buckeyes, are gray and red. So if I make a wreath, I usually need some gray because of it's just a popular color here in Ohio. And gray is my favorite color. That goes on there. I got this to go with this. Flamingo ribbon. I don't sell a lot, but you still need it. And I got some more gray and white because of Ohio State. And just, it's an everyday ribbon too. It's almost a silvery gray. It's cute. Got purple. Purple is a popular color. It's just in the stripe, 1.5 inches. It'd be good for Easter, Halloween, and springtime. Okay, so I ordered this. This is for Samantha. This is the window pane neutral. I usually, like I said, I usually get it at Hobby Lobby. This doesn't look quite as good as Hobby Lobby, but it will work. And it's a 50-yard roll, so this should last me a long time. Okay. This is for fall. I'll show you it with a pumpkin ribbon, but it's definitely fall. It's like a diagonal plaid print. It's that moss green. I can even use this in Easter too. These ones I'm so excited. Wait a minute, one second. Let me show you these. These are Samantha's. She just sells a lot of nautical on Etsy. So it's just a sea turtle. It's really cute. But we pair that with this and this. And of course the skinny one. These I've never bought. They're new. I'm excited about them. I hope they look good. They almost look textured. I don't know if I'm standing too close. It's too close. Probably right here. If you can see that. Isn't that cool? And I think I got it in every color because I liked it. So there's that. This is the lime green for springtime, Halloween. I got it in black. That's James. I got it in black and it's super cool. I'm not for sure what I'm going to use it in, but I'm hoping you can see what I'm talking about. It's just something new. Isn't that cool? The black I got it in 2.5 and 1.5 inches. Oh, and I got it in the red too. Just because, like I said, we live in Ohio and red and gray, but also our little town has an apple festival. So in September, and so we do a lot of apple stuff. So the red, it'd be cool in an apple wreath. Apple wreath. Let me show you. Actually, it'd be really cool with this lime green and the red. Kind of almost looks pink, but it's red. Actually looks hot pink. This might be hot pink. Let me look on my paper. Maybe it is fuchsia. I was wrong. It looks red, but it's called fuchsia hot pink embossed flower design. I guess it is hot pink. But it's cool. It's a good ribbon too. It's gonna hold its shape. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So sorry, it's not red, it's hot pink. Okay, and then last, oh, I gotta roll the blue too, just because blue's popular. And it'll look really good with this. And then this blue, it's actually the color I wear every day for work at the pool store. But it will be good for 4th of July, spring, summertime. Probably not Christmas, but I could use it in the fall too. Almost to the end. The rest is just mesh. So I got some just regular mesh. Got some yellow. I just needed a few spring colors and neutral colors, because neutral goes with everything, and then I can just add my bright ribbons. So I got a couple rolls of that. This has a trim on it. It has 3 extra layers on the ends. This is all solid neutral jute. Got some purple. This is just jute neutral, jute neutral. Those are staples. You always need those. It's like ketchup and mustard. In the ribbon and crafting world, you need neutrals. Got some pink and another neutral. And then I got this teal, a big roll of this. And this is The 21 inch I use on a mesh wreath. The 10 inch I use on a grapevine. So I always do the base with a 21 inch of the wreath, the metal wreath, and then I will do, I call them little butterflies in the shorter. I'll show you that someday so it makes sense to you. But I used to, in high school, I had a car this color. So I always just love this color. Anyways, it's teal. But that's it, guys. That's my whole shipment. And like I said, I was blaming it all on Samantha. Although Samantha only really needed, she needed this, this. I got this for her, and I think the rest were all mine. So she might make a flamingo. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, so that's all. I'm going to go through and double check everything. I always check off my list. I have never ever been shorted with Craft Outlet, and they ship super fast. They're just a good company. I mean, I ordered this, I think maybe, what is today, Friday? I either ordered this Tuesday morning or Monday morning, and they come out of California. So they're a really good company. They don't mess stuff up and ship really fast. So if you need a craft supply in a hurry, that's the place to go. Almost faster than Amazon, actually. All right, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I think I got like 16 watch hours last night. I don't know who. Someone probably went down a rabbit hole and started watching all my videos. I don't know how, but they did. So I got a couple subscribers. I lost one yesterday. Gained some, lose one. I still can't figure that out, but I guess it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. So, but that's my haul. So I hope you enjoyed it. And then as I start making stuff, I will either video me doing it or upload a photo. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Drink some water. I'm drinking flavored water, of course. Be nice to people. Kiss your dogs. Kiss your family. Tell them you love them. Anyways, just have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.